Good morning, class 8. We are in chapter cell, and today I am going to teach you about cell organelles. Let us see what are the cell organelles are there, and what are the different cell organs and various types of cell organ performing different various function. Scattered in a cytoplasm are the small structure called cell organelles, and there are various types of organelles that perform different function. Some of these are as follow. Mitochondria are a small rod-like structure. They oxidize food to provide energy. They are therefore often called powerhouse of the cell. Vacuoles are sac-like structure. They store food, water and wastage. Plant cells have large vacuoles as compared to animal cells. Plant cells have organelles called plastid present in cytoplasm, and they are different colors and types. So first of all, mitochondria is a cell organelles having a small rod-like structure, and they oxidize food to provide energy. That's why they are said to be powerhouse of the cell. Okay, mitochondria is said to be powerhouse because it provides energy to bioxidize food. Vacuoles are sac-like structure. They store food, water and wastage. Plant cells have large vacuoles as compared to animal cells. Plant cells have organelles called plastid present in cytoplasm. They are of different color and types. Green colored plastids are called chloroplasts. They contain the green colored pigment chlorophyll, which provides green color to the leaves. You know that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. Animal cells do not have chloroplast. In addition, there are Golgi bodies that excrete substances such as enzymes, endoplasmic reticulum that help transport system within the cell. Ribosomes that make protein, lysosomes that help destroy old cell structure, and centrosomes that regulate cell divisions. So whatever I right now I taught you, please recall these terms. Okay, so organelles, mitochondria, vacuoles, plastids, chloroplast, chlorophyll, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, lysosomes, centrosomes, these all terms please define in your notebook. Okay, in many unicellular organisms, cells have projection on their outer surface which help in the movement of cell or the organism. They are called cilia as parenchyma, paramecium and flagella, which is as in Euglena. Generally, cells are similar in a basic structure but attain different shape in different organ. Figure 8.5. See the structure of or cross section of stomach, kidney, stem and leaf. A group of similar cells that combine together to perform a specific function is called tissue. Okay. For example, a plant leaf is made up of different tissue like dermal tissue, vascular tissue, ground tissue. Different type of tissue combined together to form an organ, and group of organ joined to form organ system to carry on life activities. For example, digestive system in animals digests and absorb food. So basically, cell is the building block of living organism, and group of cell is said to be tissue, and group of tissue is said to be organ. Group of organ are said to be organ system that make a complete human body that perform all life process. Plants and animal cell. Let us now observe how animal cell are different from plant cell. See the figure. How animal cell and plant cell are differ from each other. Differ from each other. A plant cell has rigid cell wall white, and animal cell has only a cell membrane. In general, plant cell are larger than animal cell. The major difference between a plant cell and animal cell are given in table 8.1. Let us see the differences between plant cell and animal cell given in table 8.1. See, first, plant cell is larger than animal cell, and animal cell is smaller than plant cell. Plant cell is surrounded by a cell wall in addition to the cell membrane, and animal cell has only an outer cell membrane, there is no cell wall. Plant cell usually has one or two large vacuoles, and vacuoles are either absent or they are very small in animal cell. Plant cell has different kind of plastids, but animal cell has or animal cell does not have any plastids. Plant cell does not have a centrosomes, but animal cell has a centrosomes. Please write down these things in your notebook, this table in 8.1, and remember it. Let us move to another important topic, which is growth and division. Which is growth and division. Before we talk about growth and division, there is a fact given in your book about an electron microscope. Cell can be seen through a powerful optical microscope which magnify object a few hundred times. Not one times, two times, three times. We can zoom out. Few hundreds times. An electron microscope, however, magnify object over 50,000 times. The image protected by electron microscope is projected into a fluorescent screen or recorded on film, and the first commercial electron microscope was built in 1930s. With the help of scientists, could be a structure inside the cell could be not be seen in the optical microscope. So this is all about microscope. You need to also know about microscope.